Okay, guys, good morning. And so we're going long here as the market is really, as you see these big dashes in the bar, the market just trying to go higher, grinding a little bit. So we're in this trade. The Nasdaq just aggressively turned around in this area after a lot of bad momentum over here. There's just no harmony. As you can see right now, there's harmony in this leg. The market is steadily going higher. We see buyers in the tape, you know. Okay, so a little bit mixed in the big buyers. So we're still holding to this trade. I do believe it can go to this level because of the huge buying around here. But you never know if the Nasdaq is hitting this support area, it can just turn around and stop you out. But we never know.
Brick setup.
Okay, we see more buyers in the tape. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so the count is good. There we go, more buyers in the tape. There's the Nasdaq going higher. Hey guys, today is FOMC. You gotta be careful not to overtrade today. The market can go really crazy and stop you out and just, you know, make a very bad day because the market can just stall in one area and just do nothing for the rest of the day. All the selling was absorbed. As you can see, the sellers couldn't just turn around the market. So this is a good sign. You just need to stay in the trade. There might be a lot of selling in the 32 area. There you go. You see, once they cleared up all these sellers, there's the batch of buyers. Nasdaq is trying to turn around. Buyers in the tape. I'm gonna hold this trade still a little bit longer. But it looks there's a lot of sellers in this area because maybe the market can just go down later on through the day. There's maybe big pockets selling short right now. Super slow. Don't let your eyes off the tape, guys. You need to read the tape always. Okay, so you need to see the bigger prints, how many prints are for the buyers, how many prints are for the sellers. That way you can compare. Nothing can beat your eye. Okay, so if you see there's more buyers than sellers, just hold to the trade. Hold on.
Brick setup.
There you go, big buyers in the tape, you see. 150, 168. We're looking at 1, 2 in the same print, the same second. There you go. I will just do this trade, guys, for today, and I'm done. I just don't want to be around for these markets. I don't care if it goes higher, lower, I don't care. If it gets too volatile, it can whip you. Even if it goes up, it's gonna whip you out and stop you out. Even if it goes down, it will stop you out. So it's not a good idea. When the volatility is too high, don't trade, because you will do nothing. I'm still holding this trade, guys. Still holding this trade. I do believe it can go a little bit higher. I don't know how much time it will take. It all depends on this, guys. I don't like the Nasdaq turning around. See, big buyers. 184. Yeah, the Nasdaq has to turn around. Either the ES won't move. Yeah, the ES is still in this area. Let's see. We're still in this area. You can shoot a little bit higher and just stall like these past days. Okay, it's stalled here, it's stalled here, it's stalled here, it's stalled. It's gonna stall around here, maybe around this wick. So I don't expect the market to go very high, or I don't know. I just that's what I'm looking at. This is past days was the same. The market didn't break the range, so we'll see how it goes. All the sellers have been absorbed. Or it can mean another thing, guys. Like I told you before, maybe they can be setting up for, just for shorting. Maybe they're accumulating because they're gonna be a big short, or you never know. But that's my idea. It's something that I think of, but I don't know if it's gonna occur. This is high volume arrow, so we're seeing another one here, high volume arrow. Like I told you before, if the Nasdaq doesn't move, anything moves. Nobody will move if the Nasdaq don't move. You see, we see big buyers again. 1, 2, 3, 4 in the same second.
Brick setup.
Still buyers in control, guys. The Nasdaq is gonna turn around in any second. See more buyers in the tape. Yep, the Nasdaq just turned around. The ES can do 1 or 2, 3 bars from here. to the upside. Here we see tape momentum in the in the Nasdaq. All this burp of buying. So still the ES waiting for the Nasdaq. Okay guys, I'll pause the video and see what happens. Okay guys, we're almost there. Still the market pushing higher. As you can see, there's buyers in the tape. It's almost gonna hit the target. Nasdaq is still crawling slowly to the upside. Okay, I will exit here guys once it makes this one push. Okay, almost there. Okay guys, if you're interested in the system, there's the link in the description of this video. You can contact me by email. I will be happy to explain you how the system works. Okay, so thanks for watching guys. I will be exiting right now guys.
Target filled.